Welcome to the review. I should say, I wish it was a review. The audiobook brochure of the LC 2018 LC 500 and 500H, which is the hybrid variant. So I'm really excited to go over this brochure with you guys. A little story before I get into it is that we don't have this brochure at my dealership. We sell so few of the LC where I work that we don't even have a brochure for it. So I'm going to read along this with you guys, and it's going to be the first time for me as it is for most of you. So let's go ahead and get into the brochure of the LC 500. It is our most powerful creation, is more than a car, it's a feeling. Oh, I just love the look of the car, in white especially. The 2018 Lexus LC, the LC 500 experience a world-class prestige luxury coupe in a new era of uncompromising design and performance. An entirely new platform, an exhilarating 0 to 60 time, and a thundering note come together to create our most responsive vehicle yet. The LC 500H experience profound shift in hybrid performance, a breakthrough Lexus multi-stage hybrid drive design system. Thrilling acceleration, and our first ever multi-stage transmission delivered the instant torque and response to put the entire category on notice. It's super small, and I should probably zoom this in for you guys. Now, how about that? You can read that a little bit better. I can read that a little bit better. The LC up here is an atomic silver. This looks like it is the caviar. A leap forward. It's a nice picture there. Bringing a breakthrough concept vehicle into reality was a feat of engineering. Engineering a car that dominates the track and the daily commute was a feat of amazing. It's an interesting sentence structure. This LC performance. What the heck? I don't know if that made any sense of me. I'm going to read that one more time. To me, it wouldn't make any sense. Bringing a breakthrough concept vehicle into reality was a feat of engineering. Okay, that's good. Engineering a car that dominates the track and daily commute was a feat of amazing. That doesn't sound like proper English. This is LC performance. Okay, that kind of makes sense. All right, moving down. Our most powerful V8. 5-liter. Now, this is for now until they come out with the LCF, which is rumored to have a 4-liter twin-turbo V8. But we don't have that yet. We have the naturally aspirated 5-liter V8 with 471 horsepower, almost 400 foot-pounds of torque, and a 0 to 60 time in 4.4 seconds. Now, I've heard of some people going slower, and I've heard of some people going faster. Just depends on who's testing the car. Our most empowered driver. Power is meaningless if it doesn't make you feel something. With one of the world's most powerful naturally aspirated 5-liter V8 engines, 471 horsepower, a 7,300 RPM redline, and a blistering 4.4 second 0 to 60 time, the LC offers a truly visceral driving experience. But one of the most powerful aspects of the LC is felt long before it's seen, with an active sport exhaust delivering a potent, full-throated engine note at high RPM. The LC announces its own arrival. A near-perfect weight balance means never having to sacrifice power for control. Experience the entirely new front engine, rear-wheel drive platform behind the LC, uniting dynamic proportions with the ground-hugging luxury coupe elegance. The front midship design delivers an ideal balance in every way, from the near-perfect weight distribution to the combination of exceptional handling, stability, and ride comfort. Such equilibrium was achieved by placing the engine's central mass behind the front axle, positioning the wheels close to the vehicle's door edges, and lowering the hood height and driving position. The result is one of the most direct, precise driving experiences we've ever created. Sharper, smarter, faster. Introducing the first ever 10-speed automatic transmission in the luxury category. Quick pause on that. The LS 500 also has the same 10-speed automatic transmission. Now, in newer Acura vehicles in their 2019s, they also have a 10-speed automatic transmission. If you look at the 2019 Acura RDX, for example, I guess you could call that maybe the second ever 10-speed automatic transmission. But here in the LC and the RC, the LC and the LS, they were technically the first ones with this 10-speed transmission in the luxury category. Moving on, the all-new 10-speed direct shift automatic transmission with magnesium paddle shifters has an exhilaration down to a science. A list for the luxury category, a first for the luxury category, the exclusive transmission delivers the optimal gear for a wide variety of driving conditions, and one of the fastest shift times among conventional automatic transmissions available, shifting in 0.12 seconds, or half the time it takes an average human to blink. Okay, I have to take a quick pause. Grammar police coming in. They're starting sentences with and. They're also starting sentences with or, which is not the most grammatically correct to my knowledge. Or half the time it takes the average human to blink. More than lightning quick, the new system is also one of the most intelligent 10-speed transmissions ever built. Learning with every drive, the transmission selects the optimum gear based on vehicle speed, acceleration, and individual driving habits, even choosing the ideal gear during cornering. An unconventional process, unprecedented performance. Double joint multi-link suspension system. An entirely new double joint multi-link suspension system was required to maintain the vehicle's low profile and available 21-inch wheels, which, if you're getting this car, you gotta get the 21-inch wheels. Like, if you're spending almost $100,000, you gotta get the bigger wheels. They make this car look that much better, while delivering exceptional agility, accuracy, and immediate steering response. A Lexus first, die-cast aluminum shock towers weigh almost half as much as steel and provide nearly double the rigidity. Forged aluminum upper and lower arms help reduce unsprung weight. Speed-activated rear wing. An available speed-activated rear wing helps reduce lift and enhance the downforce balance for enhanced handling and control during high-speed driving. The wing extends at speeds above 50 miles per hour and retracts at 25 miles per hour. Quick note, the LC also offers an optional carbon fiber fixed rear wing, which is, I believe, is like an $1,800 option, which we will see down below, hopefully in the options. It has a Torsen limited slip rear differential, an available Torsen high capacity torque sensing limited slip rear differential efficiently distributes engine power to the rear axle, helping optimize traction, handling, and control in a variety of conditions. Next generation adaptive variable suspension. Allowing the driver to harness the engine's power and communicate with the pavement like never before, the advanced adaptive variable suspension, AVS, features dampers that are continuously variable through 650 levels, an increase from 641 from the previous Lexus system. AVS can stiffen for enhanced response based on selected drive mode, and linear solenoid monotube shocks not only reduce body lean and enhance control when cornering, but also offer improved ride quality. Active rear steering. Engineered for high-performance driving, available active rear steering, it is not standard, can adjust the steering angle of the rear wheels by up to 2 degrees based on vehicle speed. Yaw rate, something you don't always see in vehicles, something that's often attributed to fighter jets, and lateral Gs. At high speeds, it turns the rear wheels in the same direction as the front to help enhance agility and control. At low speeds, the rear wheels turn in the opposite direction for precise maneuvering and an even tighter turning circle. That's pretty cool. Variable gear ratio steering. Available variable gear ratio steering, or VGRS, automatically adjusts the front wheel steering angle and response. At low speeds, VGRS reduces the number of turns lock to lock for easier maneuvering. At high speeds, the steering gear ratio is optimized for increased high-speed responsiveness and control. When combined with active rear steering, VGRS enhances response, rear grip, and overall agility while cornering. Pretty neat stuff. A monumental feat of structural engineering. Experience the most rigid Lexus chassis yet and the future of Lexus high performance. Decades of Takumi craftsmanship, relentless engineering, and in-house carbon fiber loom was first developed for the ultralight LFA supercar. It all comes together to deliver a high-performance, high-strength coupe, if you're British, or coupe, if you're American, with exceptional torsional rigidity. A body that's as aerodynamic as it is alluring begins with the available carbon fiber roof developed to lower the vehicle's center of gravity. Real quick, if you have the carbon fiber roof, you will not be able to have the all-glass roof, which has the sunroof. Moving on. Lightweight carbon fiber reinforced sheet molding compound allows the complex shape of the inner doors to be molded as a single piece, and the outer doors are engineered with 6000 series aluminum that's 47% lighter than its steel counterpart. Every material is evaluated by weight, strength, mass, and optimal placement in service of one goal: the driver's connection to the road. So A up here is the proprietary lightweight carbon fiber technology. B is the aluminum, or aluminum for us Americans, for reduced weight. C is ultra high strength chassis steel. Where is that at? Right here, you can barely see that C. D is a high tensile steel brackets and straight bar bracing for high rigidity. Where is D? Right here, right there. It's kind of that gold color. B is over here as well, as you can see. But we're going to move on. I didn't really take a good look at that. And you can see more letters here, what all that is made of. Let's move down. Oh, we have this exact, we have the exact same color on our showroom, but these are the non-optional wheels. Guys, do yourself a favor if you're getting this car. Oh, this particular one's a hybrid, because we're now entering the hybrid station or section of this brochure audiobook. I'm going to take a quick break and get a drink of water. For you, it will be no pause at all. Introducing the first ever Lexus multi-stage hybrid. Experience a breakthrough that recasts the entire concept of hybrid performance. Beyond efficient, the LC 500H is our most responsive, fastest, highest performance hybrid yet. This is innovation you can feel. Behind the engineering. When the multi-stage hybrid technology meets a 3.5-liter V6, the result is a visceral feel of high-performance coupe and power off the line that rivals the V8 competition. The LC500H is built on an advanced Lexus multi-stage hybrid powertrain, a 3.5-liter, 24-valve Atkinson cycle V6, powerful yet compact dual motors, and a lightweight lithium-ion battery. This powertrain is then merged with an automatic transmission in series with an electronically controlled CVT. These Lexus first innovations come together to create the direct, instinctive feel of a 10-speed transmission and a new expression of hybrid performance. Here we have a compact, lightweight, and high-output lithium-ion battery, if you're wondering where it was in the car. An entirely new hybrid technology. Manual mode allows drivers to select and hold gears using the magnesium paddle shifters. An electronically controlled CVT transmission combines with an automatic for the responsiveness of a 10-speed transmission. Electric motors generate exceptional linear acceleration and instant torque by synchronizing hybrid system and output with throttle inputs. An F1 technology. A vortex generator in the intake duct creates small vortices in the airflow to reduce pressure loss and boost engine output. Pretty cool. Ooh, this color, this infrared color. Oh my gosh. I like this color and the ultra white for this vehicle. Behind the wheel, experience the next era of hybrid performance with 354 total horsepower, rhythmic shifting, and thrilling power off the line. The LC500H signals a shift in the natural order. It's a difference felt in seconds, reaching 0 to 60 in 4.7, right, where the naturally aspirated 5.8 was 4.4. The LC500H provides instant torque the moment the pedal is pressed, and continuous seamless acceleration that increases as the engine power and vehicle speed climb. I don't know why they just didn't take this plate off. I don't know, that's kind of weird. Instead, they decided to paint it red. Scrolling down, I just love these taillights. Check out my walk around video of the LC500 if you want to see like a 3D view of these taillights. It's crazy. Design without compromise. A study in uninhibited passion and exhilaration, the LC demanded a revolutionary approach to every step of the design and engineering process. A single character line that took over 3 months to perfect, twice the number of engineering checkpoints than any Lexus before it. Any sacrifice of design or performance was unacceptable. The result was unprecedented. This is LC design. Engineering that cuts through the air, design that cuts through the noise. A dynamic low body with menacing wide shoulders. Some people call it hips, just depending on who you ask. An aggressive broad stance, and impossibly low center of gravity. Every design note is engineered in service of the Coupe's direct, responsive performance. With 4 air intakes and rear aero ducts to help reduce lift and drag, even the air itself contributes to the high-speed handling. Engineering a car that stands apart is easy. Engineering a car that unites beauty with purpose is the first ever LC. Doesn't look bad in this atomic silver. I mean, especially with these wheels. These are the optional wheels that you gotta get. Scrolling down, speaking of you gotta get, this might be the interior. It's so unique. Anyways, distinctive door panels. Let's actually start over here. I think this is where I'm supposed to start. A feat of craftsmanship. Elliptical steering wheel design. Painstakingly crafted steering wheel is a result of the countless hours of testing and track development with Lexus Takumi Masters. An ideal profile was achieved by measuring the distribution of palm pressure during circuit driving, then exhaustively manipulating the cross-section for the perfect grip at various angles along the steering wheel. The resulting elliptical shape provides an optimal grip when cornering with high G-forces and allows a direct feedback from the suspension. Even the stitching of the leather surface was calibrated for enhanced grip and reduced fatigue. They did the exact same thing, by the way, on the 2019 ES 350 F Sport. Let's go back to this distinctive door panels that I was reading previously. Alcantara trimmed door panels with deep undulating lines create a distinctive cabin. Ambient lighting casts a subtle shadow over the curving pattern, and the rich materials give way to a marbled carbon fiber detailing that's revealed as the doors open. Leather trim shift knob. No detail was spared in creating a seamless, direct driving experience. The leather trim shift knob is crafted with 4 strips of high quality leather that are hand sewn with an exacting technique to conceal the thread for a smooth, even texture. Most shift knobs take a matter of minutes to assemble. This is the result of 1 hour of pure craftsmanship. That's impressive. Lexus Climate Concierge integrates climate controls with the heated and ventilated seating, and it is easily controlled by a single switch on the new Lexus Climate Concierge monitor. The system also pairs with the available leather-trimmed heated steering wheel to offer a warm surface for the entire diameter of the steering wheel, regardless of the placement of the driver's hands. Ambient lighting. Ambient illumination accentuates the bold lines and design details throughout the cabin, including soft lighting in the upper sweep of the door trim, LED illumination at the base of the instrument travel panel by the passenger seats casts the intricate L-shaped motif in a subtle relief for an added sense of depth. As you can see, the hybrid here. Touring package. Experience iconic style with an elegant glass roof and the available touring package. Semi-aniline leather trimmed front seats with an Alcantara headliner. Mark Levinson reference sound system. Blind spot monitor with rear cross traffic alert. And intuitive parking assist, bringing added refinement to our most polished coupe yet. Nightfall mica, I must say, looks pretty good on the LC as well, but you know, this car can't look bad in any color. Oh man. Well, let's just scroll up and look at this. LC shown with bespoke white leather interior trim. I have not seen this yet. I have not seen this, nor I'll scroll up. I haven't seen this all with this toasted caramel. I always call it burnt caramel, but that's probably not luxurious enough sounding. Toasted caramel, because burnt would be black. Okay, going down. There's that carbon fiber roof. Here's the beautiful red one, which I have seen a black LC with this red interior, which it could be a part of the sport package. For a higher level of performance, the sport package offers advanced track developed features, specially engineered for high G cornering and circuit driving. Alcantara sport seats with the 8-way. You know, I don't know if I've actually sat in these Alcantara seats. This looks like it's Alcantara right here, and this looks leather on the outside. Okay, sport seats with 8-way power support are constructed with foam injected bolsters to support the shoulders, pelvis, and lumbar region. The high back design helps to maintain the ideal driving posture as the Alcantara insert offers enhanced traction. The textured leather trim gives or grips the driver's back even against significant lateral G-forces. Featuring a glass or carbon fiber roof, the available sport package also offers lightweight forged aluminum wheels, Torsen limited slip differential, which is only available on the naturally aspirated V8, intuitive parking assist, and blind spot monitor with rear cross traffic alert. You see the Rioja red here, which is one of our darker reds, maybe just a shade brighter than our Cabernet in our LX 570 luxury builds. Performance package. For the most demanding driving enthusiasts, the available performance package offers all the track-ready features of the sport package, plus active rear steering, VGRS, a speed-activated rear wing, an Alcantara headliner, and carbon fiber door scuff plates. Scrolling down. Take a seat at the center of gravity and experience an intuitive connection with the open road. Every element of the front engine rear-wheel drive platform was built to elevate the driver's connection to the road. That's why the alignment of the driver's hip point with the vehicle center of gravity is superior in its class. An ultra-low center of gravity helps to reduce unwanted body motion and create less rear squat during acceleration, less nose diving during braking, and less body lean during turns. Reducing rotational inertia by centralizing mass in the vehicle also helps reduce the resistance to turn, enhancing responsiveness and maneuverability. The axis of rotation and the driver are aligned as closely as possible in order to help the driver instinctively predict vehicle behavior. Triple beam LED ham lights, headlamps. The triple projector ultra compact LED headlamps are more than striking. I would agree. They're the thinnest LED projector headlamps in the industry. Half the size of the conventional lamp, the polaric ellipsoid system combines with the daytime running lights and LED cornering lamps to create an unmistakable Lexus signature. Dimensional rear combination tail lamps. One of the most stunning features of any Lexus vehicle to date, the dimensional tail lamps were inspired by the dramatic glow of a jet's afterburners. Through the adoption of the infinity mirror principle, an endless dimensional motif is illuminated when the lamps are on, and a sleek gray look appears when off. 80 LEDs on either side create an even illumination with impressive depth and no visible grain. Guys, again, check out my video of my walk around of the LC500 and you'll see exactly what these lights look like. Not just the rear, but the front ones as well. Avant-garde details. I don't know if I said that right, but whatever. 21-inch forged alloy wheels. They are unbelievable once you see them in person. Available 21-inch forged alloy wheels offer lightweight design, black and chrome coating, and a polished finish. Flush exterior door handles. A flush surface door handle with illumination enhances aerodynamics and creates a sophisticated first impression. When the handle is extended outward, inset LEDs illuminate the door. As the doors close or after 15 seconds, the lighting fades. Takumi, ooh, this guy means business. I think this is the first face we've seen in this entire brochure. He means business. Takumi Precision. A clean, iconic concept developed exclusively for the LC. The interior door features a bezel-less handle with a locking brace. Unique to the automotive category, the unusual design is a result of countless hours of Takumi craftsmanship. It almost looks like a concept car if you ask me. This entire thing right here. It's not, it's real. It's a production car, the intersection of engineering and emotion. This is engineering so advanced, it moves us closer to driving pleasure in its purest form, where the art of anticipation meets Lexus innovation. This is LC technology. Drive mode select. Inspired by the LFA supercar, controls are positioned on the outer instrument panel for seamless operation in our most engaging drive mode select yet. Sport S mode alters the powertrain for more dynamic throttle response. Sport S Plus mode modifies the next generation adaptive variable suspension to help provide a higher level of responsiveness. Comfort mode adjusts the AVS to reduce the feel of an uneven road surfaces and balances throttle response and fuel efficiency. Eco mode moderates multiple settings for increased fuel efficiency, and for the first time, a custom mode enables you to create a unique profile of combination of drive mode settings for a more personalized driving experience. We studied the placement of every element, so all you see is the road, road, road. Color heads-up display. Designed to help minimize driver distraction, the available full-color heads-up display projects a range of essential navigation, safety and performance information directly onto the windshield, including audio, speed, current gear, RPM, and more. Guys, feel free to look at this picture as I keep reading. I'm not going to go over it. Remote touchpad, more than a convenient way to access multimedia, climate controls, and navigation. The next generation remote touchpad mimics smartphone operations with the ample touch surface area, pulsation feedback, intuitive pinch, swipe, and flick gestures, even integrating handwritten input. New functionality also allows drivers to quickly access some menus when on screens with multiple options. Digital performance gauges. Inspired by the digital instrumentation developed for the LFA, an 8-inch digital adaptive meter with a movable interface displays vital performance information including engine and road speed. The sliding meter is intuitively operated by steering wheel mounted controls and changes with the selected drive mode. Magnesium paddle shifters. Every detail of the steering wheel is crafted to help improve the feel, enhance grip, and reduce driver fatigue. Large magnesium paddle shifters with meticulously engineered click feedback and outboard placement contribute to an intuitive, track-inspired driving experience. That is a great picture. Mark Levinson Reference Sound Audio System. While most audio systems are adapted to and installed in a vehicle after it's produced, Mark Levinson technicians work alongside Lexus engineers from the onset of the development process. That's why the LC features a dynamic soundstage uniquely fitted to the cabin. Levinson's exclusive image processing leverages perfectly timbre-matched transducers to develop the most consistent and accurate tonal responses at every location in the LC. Sound this rich even allows listeners to experience the arrangement of individual instruments and performers, which more accurately expresses the artist's original intent. The available 13-speaker, 915-watt Mark Levinson reference surround system ensures that the performances inside the LC are just as pure as the vehicle itself. 10.3-inch split-screen multimedia display. The 10.3-inch high-resolution split-screen multimedia display provides immediate, simultaneous access to audio or climate controls in various systems, including the next-generation voice-activated navigation system. Lexus Inform. Our premium suite of connected technology merges convenience with concierge-level attention, from emergency assistance to a next-generation App Suite 2.0 to a live destination specialist and more. Lexus Inform offers added service, security, and entertainment with every drive. Here it is with the Rioja red leather. As you can see here, this looks great. And if you didn't know, it's in Sport Plus mode. Scroll down. Lexus Safety System Plus. An advanced safety technology designed to help making the world inside and outside your car safe. Blind spot monitor with your rear cross-traffic alert, parking assist, pre-collision system, pedestrian detection, lane keep assist, all-speed dynamic radar cruise control, intelligent high beam. Pretty much all Lexus vehicles come with these things now. Lexus Safety System Plus, integrated suite of 4 active safety technologies designed to work together in order to pave the way to a world of fewer collisions, better informed drivers. Millimeter wave radar and advanced camera systems combined to help prevent accidents, offering assistance in the form of pedestrian alerts, automatic braking, lane drift assistance, and more. Beyond advanced, Lexus Safety Plus is also standard. I went through that quick because that is nothing new to the Lexus world, and it's pretty boring. Okay. Standard features. Read through that. You can pause this video if you want to read through every single standard feature and all the specs, as well as the 0 to 60 time. I guess I should say your fuel economy specs are here. Now, if they do the LCF, they might make it all-wheel drive. Because how else are they going to get that 600 horsepower down to the rear wheels? I mean, it would be tough, but I would expect them to make it all-wheel drive in the RCF, but that car hasn't been announced, so that's just projection. You can see the different specs here of the two cars, which this is just absolutely nuts. Let's just put this into perspective. The LC 500H, the hybrid, has about 100 and some odd, over 110 less horsepower, right? But look over here, it's 0.3 seconds slower to 60. And the reason why is because you have all that available power and torque immediately from 0 RPM from those electrical motors. So quite impressive. Now you might be saying, well, Kirk, you can get a Tesla, blah, 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 blah. It's way faster to 60. Yeah, it is. But that's not what this car's about. It's about being fast and having extreme levels of luxury, durability, and elegance. There's not a whole lot of elegance in a Tesla, in my opinion. Scrolling down. They are cool cars, though. Some of you guys are probably getting angry. Okay, convenience package, that's what that has. All-weather package. Again, pause this, guys. I'm not going to go through everything. Sports package, performance package. Performance package is the way to go if you want the most sporty version of this car. Even though the sport package is an option, the performance package is the way to go. You got the active rear wing. That is awesome. You have all these steering improvements, interior improvements. So here are the wheels, guys. I still have not seen these wheels in person. I only see these wheels, which I despise. I absolutely despise these wheels. I think they look cheap because this car looks so expensive. For some reason, these wheels look terrible. I've seen pictures of these wheels on the car, these other 20-inch wheels, and I think they look really good. But nothing comes close. These two up here don't come close to the 21-inch wheels. These 21-inch wheels look like 2 to 3 inches bigger than these wheels, and the design of them is perfect. Some of you might not like that, and that's fine. Color options. So over here are your leather paint, your leather colors: black, toasted, not burnt, caramel, Rioja red leather, bespoke white leather, which I have not seen yet. It's only interior I haven't seen. I've seen toasted caramel, but I haven't been in it. Satin metallic, what? Oh, that's your trim. That's the only trim you're getting, right? In other Lexus brochures, there's a bunch of different trims on here with different woods. You don't get that option. I don't believe there's any wood in these cars, which is different, very different for a Lexus anyways. So here's your paint colors. I've seen this car in smoky granite mica, and it looked absolutely amazing. Liquid platinum, that looks like our silver lining metallic color, but I'm sure it's different in some way. Infrared is amazing. It's an amazing color. I can't believe they make this an autumn shimmer, but I'm sure it looks good. It's just not one of our more popular paint colors. And Nightfall mica looks really good as well. And then you can see, oh, additional charge. What's additional charge? Nothing? Do you see this? Oh, okay, so what is starred? Oh, the infrared is starred. So the only thing that is an additional charge over all the other things you can trim the car with or paint the car in is the infrared. Fascinating. Okay, that must be a really expensive paint color to make for some reason. And that sums up our brochure read and audiobook of the LC500. I will put this document and how to find it in the description below. And I will see you guys in the next Luxurious Kirk video. Thank you for watching.